Hey guys, I've been doing some cleanup around my property this weekend, mostly out behind my house, tearing out old wire fence and cleaning up berry vines and burning a lot of yard debris. And I came across a stack of logs that have been sitting for a long time, and they've got some stuff growing out of them, and I'm wondering if they're too rotten to mill. Let's go take a look. Now these English walnut logs came from a job site about 4 years ago. I actually milled a couple with my Woodland Mill sawmill back then when I first got them. But now they've been sitting a long time. They've got fungus growing out of the ends. I'm wondering if there's anything salvageable inside. All right, this thing's got a lot of curve in it. I'm not going to get much lumber out of it if it's that long and got that much curve. So I'm going to grab my chainsaw and lop this off a little bit, and that'll leave me with the crotch pieces anyway. Now, when I first milled this stuff, you had very dark heartwood and almost white sapwood, and the stuff that I milled back then has stayed those colors, but this doesn't even look like walnut anymore. We'll see what it looks like once I slab it. It's cutting really rough, but the wood's super dry, so I might hit it with a belt sander and try and get a better view, because the grain is looking pretty cool actually. Well, I'm going to flip this over 180 and saw the other side, and then I'll probably take a slab down and hit it with the sander and see what we're really looking at here. sanded. I think if one left it much longer, we'd be burning this wood. Sharon?
Well, I brought one for you. You want me to drink it?
Hold on a second here. Let's not get carried away. Well, my neighbor stopped by for a minute to see what all the commotion was over here. But let's get some of these slabs off and see what we're looking at. Well, I'm going to run down and grab a belt sander and a random orbital sander. And this is kind of neat looking. Got some splits in the middle, but that could probably be epoxied and maybe bow tied. Well, I don't know, guys. This is there's definitely some neat grain. It definitely doesn't look like walnut anymore. Let's put a little water on that and see what it does. Wow. Did that stuff just explode or what? Well, I've got to say, I definitely think that this stuff is worth milling. Most of these other slabs don't have the splits in them like this one did. I got started kind of late in the day on this, but I think I might tear into the rest of those next weekend and get them sliced into slabs so that we can save them. Well, I appreciate you guys watching. All right, hold on a minute. This video's not over yet. After seeing that grain last night, I've got to see what's in this piece that's got the large crotch on this end. I'm not going to wait until next weekend. I'm going to open this thing up right now. All right, I went really slow through this to try and get as smooth a cut as possible. Wow. Looks like there's a little split in the wood there, but we're starting to get into the crotch figure. Well, that's nice solid wood. I'm gonna flip this over 180, put this on the deck, and take slabs from the other side. I think this piece is even better than the one I cut yesterday. Guys, this might be the most epic lumber I've ever cut on my Wood-Mizer. I'm going to take this down and spray it off, and we're going to get a look at what this stuff is. I thought these logs were rotten, but they're amazing. Let's go spray them off. All right, guys, are you ready for this? I love the character of the live edge on this stuff. Well, guys, I'm glad I didn't wait to mill this up. This stuff is absolutely amazing. I made some thicker slabs out of this one because I'm picturing a coffee table. I've got some new metal fabrication tools that I can't wait to make some legs out of steel for a coffee table that this stuff will be the top for. So I can't wait to put this video together and get it up for you guys and get your reaction, because this stuff is absolutely awesome. Well, I appreciate you guys watching, and we will see you soon. You don't want to interrupt my video today?